Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and now I am going to do a very short review on the new edition of HMT Pilots, as many people were asking me to do one review on the new breed of the HMT Pilots that has been recently launched on the HMT website. So there were many versions of the Pilot launched, but I preferred the green one as this one is a really cool color and I really like the overall appearance. So what are the changes as compared to the original Pilot? The case, crystal and crown are the same as in the Janata, Pilot, Jawan and many other watches, very similar. But what has changed is the numerals, the indices here. Earlier they used to be hand applied lumes, now they are printed lumed or stamped lume here. The logo here is the same, the metal insert logo, but the text of the Pilot has changed from a very thin font in bluish green or green to this white. The next part of the change is the hands. Apart from the boat shaped hand, now the hands are slightly broader boat shaped, as well as the pattern of the lume has also changed. So this is a isosceles triangle kind of lume, but in the earlier one it was the same as thin boat shaped lume, a very isosceles kind of triangle here, triangular lume, but the lumes are equally bright. Let me say that these are really bright. The movement in these watches are same 0231 HMT hand winding movement with Parashock technologies and 17 jewels. But why I like this HMT Pilot Green, the latest edition, is because of the dial. The dial is very nice matte green in structure, not the sunburst kind of. Recently they have launched a sunburst kind of dial also, but I am not a huge fan of sunburst kind of shade. I prefer this matte kind of dial. It looks really cool, especially sported on this leather strap. This is an aftermarket leather strap. This was not supplied with the watch itself. I got a steel bracelet with this. The diameter of the case is as usual 36 mm with 18 mm lug width. Top push fit acrylic crystal here. But the case back has many changes, as we can see. Pardon for this idiot biker who is continuously honking. So here is the case back. If you see, there has been many changes. Now they have this etched case back instead of the embossed case back. The case back number is 010920. It means it was issued in 2020. Factory number 1 and middle one is the month of September. So last year September I got this. So all the features of this watch: stainless steel. The entire watch is made of stainless steel, including the case back, the case construction. Water resistant, yes, up to 20 meters. They have not mentioned, but it is water resistant. Shock proof, yes, the Parashock technology, and the screw down type of case back and really highly polished kind of case back. So this this one is the new HMT Pilot green dial watch. So let me just wind it and it starts working, and you need to pull the crown to adjust the time. Really nice one, really good, nicely made one. So go ahead, if you see one in stock, then do purchase it. This is a really cool budget friendly watch. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and stay safe.